Today we will see how to create a teaching plan using AI. First of all, we are going to visit the menu that is called as staff. We are going to have the staff menu. Inside the staff menu, we are going to select the teaching plan subtitle, submenu. After that, you have to select the semester, whichever semester you are having. The system will reflect the relevant information. If suppose you want to change the name of staff, you can change the name of staff over here. You can, if you select the name of staff, you will get the relevant subject. So we will create a teaching plan for JPR. So two options are given, manual plan and AI plan. Select on AI plan, click on next button. First of all, you will find the table which is showing the list of holidays. You can find here we had added the class test date also, so that the computer will not add those dates to the teaching plan. Next part is the start date. So here you can see the start date. Identify the date whether it is correct or not. If you want to change, you can change it. So date is proper, 1st January 2025. The second most important part is you have to check that whatever the lectures are allocated by MSBT, the count and the count shown in software are same. So just we will visit the MSBT site. We will select the subject name. It is Java programming. So this is the syllabus of Java programming. Scroll down below. You will find one table. So this is the table. So in this table they had given the number of hours for each lecture. So the total summation of all the hours for each chapter is 60. So the grand total is 60. So let's move to the ERP software. Here you are finding the count of syllabus hours is 60. So it is matching over here. If suppose the count is increasing, that is it will be 68, it will be 60, 71, it means that you had added the extra topics or your data has been repeated. If you are finding some hours which are less than 60, it means that you had not updated the total topics given in the syllabus. So make sure that you are making the count of this 60 equal to the count given in the syllabus. So again, coming back to this same table, the number of theory lectures available from the timetable is 76. So the software will automatically fetch the number of lectures through the timetable given inside the ERP. If it is greater than number of hours you are going to conduct, then it is okay. If suppose now there is a number of hours required to complete the syllabus is 60 and timetable is calculating some 57, 55, so you need some 3 hours extra to be adjusted. So you need 3 extra lectures to complete the syllabus. The software is always already indicating you about the number of hours extra to be conducted for the completion of syllabus. So before creating the teaching plan, make sure that these numbers are proper. So now as these numbers are proper, just go to this part. So you will find here checkbox. Click on that checkbox. If suppose you had not created any teaching plan, then also it will tell you that the previous teaching plan will get replaced. Don't worry about it. But if you had created your teaching plan, and if you're generating the plan again, the previous data will be erased and the new data will be inserted. So make sure that you will not overwrite your previous data, which is final and complete. So here there is a no teaching plan created for this subject. So we will click on this button, generate teaching plan. So here there will be the message highlighted. I will close this window. Now you can see the teaching plan is created for this. Now somewhere we are finding the colors inside the teaching plan. So the red color indicates the remark are given at the end. So this red color indicates that teaching plan is been assigned on a date where you are conducting the class test 1. So here the teaching plan is showing you, the software is showing you that you have to change these dates. Again somewhere the software is showing you in another color, that is yellow color. It means that the current teaching plan that we are making for an institute, the class test dates were 10, 11, 12, but the institute has conducted the class test on 8, 9, 10. So these yellow dates are related to the class test. So nothing is assigned to these dates. But meanwhile, as the dates are being changed, these things are assigned on 8th Feb. So these things are shown in a color pattern. Now don't do anything about it. Just have a look on these things. Now your teaching plan using AI is being generated. Now it's your task to manipulate it and make the teaching plan perfect. So again go to the same tab, that is a staff tab. Go under the teaching plan menu, select the semester. Now instead of AI, go to manual plan because you have to make a finishing touch to the AI plan. So go to the manual plan. You will find again the same table which is showing the number of holidays. Now this is very important. Here you are having the month and you will see the list of months available with you for the completion of semester syllabus. So I will select the January over here. Now just have a look on this. The topics are divided over here. So the topics are divided and each subtopic is different. So first lecture subtopic is different, second lecture subtopic is different, third lecture subtopic is different. Now this unit 1 is getting completed at 8th lecture. So 8th lecture the unit 1 is going to complete. And from 9th lecture the unit 2 is going to start. So let's have a look on the syllabus. So the syllabus is telling that first chapter is for 8 hours and the ERP software has successfully created the AI generated teaching plan for Java programming. Now as we are on the month of January, we are going to have a look of entire January teaching plan. So you are finding everything in a blue color. It means that the things are okay. Now let's move to the next month. That is month of February. I will just scroll down and check, is there anything to be edited? Yes, somewhere I am finding the things in the red color. Now this particular title that is being generated by AI, it is a class test on 8th Feb. So this actual the class test date is 10th, but the institute has decided to conduct on 8th. So again it is showing on the red color. Otherwise, if you are having the class test on it, the system will not take. But just for the demo purpose, we had involve the multiple options that the institute can go for. So here comes that this date I have to make sure that I am going to use with the nearest extra lecture. Now here I am finding that there is a Saturday on 8th and Sunday on 9th. So what I will do is that I will click on edit. 9th is a holiday for every college, so I am going to conduct the extra lecture on 9th. As there are the number of periods I had already defined, so I had called the students from 11:15 to 12:15, so there will be the period 2. So don't use the extra hours over here, so you just click the period and the rest thing will be the same, no change. Only the change you had done in the start date, end date. So start date was 8th February, which is the class test date. So instead I had conducted it on 9th, that is the next Sunday. So I will just upload it. After uploading, you will find the month of February over here. We will select the month of February. Just scroll down. So previously there were 3 red lines, now there are 2. So here it is been conducted on Sunday. Now similarly what I will do is that I will edit this to the uh, 13th of Feb, because 12th of Feb, because 12th is the date that I am finding that Java lecture is there. So we will conduct click here again on edit. We will click on 12th. Consider there is a second period of Java on 12th. Make sure that you know the Java lecture period number while making the edit part. Don't put the things randomly. The things will get this thing will get conflict. So properly you have to mark the proper period on the specific date. I will upload it. After uploading, just go through this February month. You will find here 12, because at the very beginning we had considered the 12 as class test, but nothing to worry, because the class test has been conducted by the institute on the 8th, and you will never find the 8th of Feb anywhere in the teaching plan. So by this way you have to remove all the red colors to the nearest extra lecture date, and by this way just visit each and every month. Make sure that your plan is been properly edited, nothing conflict is there in your plan, and you can move the remaining part to the next lectures also. Now in order to see the teaching plan, go to the report part. So here there is a report part. Click on iScheme. Click on K-scheme. The very first option is teaching plan lectures. Click on the display button. Select the semester. So major times we don't need to fill each and every data. If you are selecting the semester also, the things are shown on your window. So we had prepared the teaching plan for the Java programming. I will click on this select button, and here is your teaching plan. So you can click on the print option and you can check that your teaching plan is visible. Teaching plan is visible. So by this way you are going to prepare the teaching plan using AI through the NBA software and ERP software. Thank you.